Hi, this is Ann with Finance on the Offense, and today I'm going to go over what in the heck has been going on with the stock market in the last few days, and also what you should do about it. All right, let's get started. I'm sure you've noticed in the past few days that the stock market has really just fallen off a cliff. Everyone's freaking out and talking about selling all their stocks and index funds before it gets worse. United Airlines lost 5.5%, Tesla is down about 8%, and Apple's down about 5%. I mean, pretty much everything is down, but those are just a few examples. So why is this happening? First up, the pandemic just isn't going away like everyone thought it would, so investors are getting worried about that. Cases are up in all 50 states right now, and investors think that that is going to affect the economy negatively. Second, the market is overdue for a correction or a recession even. A correction means that stocks have fallen 10% from their highest point, and by that definition, we're almost there right now. Recessions generally happen about once every 10 years, and right now we're 14 years out from our last one, which was in 2008. Third is inflation. Inflation is up, way up, I'm sure you've noticed. Basically, you're paying more money to do all the same things that you've always done, whether it's buy food, pay your rent, or go to a concert. So that's got investors worried about the economy, of course. Another big part of this is that everybody thought the Federal Reserve was going to raise interest rates today, but that didn't happen. They kept them at the same rate. And they decided to put off any rate raises until March. That news by itself caused the Dow to spike 200 points because investors just sort of breathed a sigh of relief and went right back to buying stocks. The fourth thing is that it looks like Russia is getting ready to invade Ukraine again. And whenever there's a major international conflict like that, investors get spooked. So that's why it's all happening. But what should you do about it? Really, I think there are two things that you could do. The first, and my favorite, is do nothing and don't change anything. Don't buy more stocks and index funds than you normally do, and don't buy less. And for God's sake, don't sell your mutual funds or stocks. The second thing you could do is buy. Stocks and mutual funds are on sale right now. So for example, one share of a company 5 days ago might have cost $100, and today it only costs $92. So you could buy more with your money. It's basically a great time to buy stocks, stable stocks, and index funds because everything is on sale. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, and I'll see you next week with another Finance on the Offense video. Thank you.